Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to use Discord /commands for productivity. So these commands allow you to execute actions, automate workflows, and navigate channels. So let's discuss them, guys. So Discord has several built-in /commands that help manage communication, filter noise, and speed up navigation. So how do we use them? You need to, of course, enter a chat first, where you can actually input them, and then, for example, tip /may, and then, as you can see, displays text with emphasis. And then, as you can see, you just type in a message, hello world, and then send it, and you get that little, as you can see, a bit of a different font. We have spoiler, for example. Okay, so this pretty much just hides your message. Hey guys, and send it, and you need to reveal it by pressing on it. And we have others like shrug, table flip, thread, whatever you want to use. And for example, we can just go ahead and open up our Discord /commands. There you go. As you can see, it's support from Discord, and they will list you some of these commands in here that you can use. Also, as a preview, just type in /, and as you can see now, you have multiple of these commands. And bots also expand the list of commands, so if a certain server has a bot attached that adds the functionality with the slashes, yeah, you'll have even more flexibility. Enjoy, guys. If this was helpful, subscribe.